Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a unbagging of a PR package from a company called GBFKE. I love this company, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending these to me to share with all of y'all. So let's just get into it, okay? So I've got a couple items in here that we're going to look at. And I will leave a link in my description box to everything that I share with y'all. Now, on their website, on GBFKE's website, they are having a sale right now of a buy 3 get 1 free. So y'all go check that out. You get standard toolkit, which is a single placer pen, a few little baggies, some wax, and a green boat. So this is what I chose. And if you have been following me, you know. If you have not ever followed me, well, let me explain. I love gnomes. I have a large collection of gnome canvases, of gnome miniatures, of gnome clay figures, of gnome stuffed animals, of gnome candles. There's gnomes everywhere, all over my house, outside of my house. I even have a gnome cookie jar. I love my gnomes. I can't help it. I love them. All right, so I chose this one because I am really loving these pearl paintings. So this is a little 25 by 25, and as you can see, there's only 3 colors. But, well, there's 3 sizes of pearls. They're all white, but there's 3 different sizes in here. Here is the item number, but I will leave a link to this in my description box. Now, on GBFKE's website, you can find this listed as, I think they call them goblins. They're all, instead of them being called gnomes, they are referred to as goblins. But I will leave a link in the description box. But this one was $5.64. And look at these. Look at these pearls. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of number 1. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 3 bags of number 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of number 3. And I don't see any, well, there's a little bit of dust in these, but not a lot. Not compared to some that I've seen that had a lot of drill dust. Why am I not putting this in there correctly? I never can. Oh, well. Alright, so there's that. Alright. Did I just lose one? Oh, well. I think it's just a rogue pearl. So, but if you look right in between, right past his nose, you can see a little flesh tone on his face. But this is going to be cute. Again, this is a 25 by 25, and it was $5.64. Alright, so we'll just go with this next one. If I can get this open, there it is. Alright, so this one is called Jeweled Bouquet. This is another partial. Now, this one is a 20 by 25. It's small, y'all. Standard toolkit. Here's these. Now, these are going to be really quick, fun, in-between projects. You know, this is small enough you could take this with you if you are... You know, all the kids have started back to school, and if you are one of those parents who have to go sit in the carpool lane for drop-off or pickup, this would be a good size to take with you, and you could do it in the car while you're waiting on your kid. Believe me, I've been in those lanes. So this has got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 colors. Looks really nice. This would be pretty once you did it. You could put this in a frame and just like stick it in a hallway or in a bedroom or something. That would be pretty. Alright, let's look at the drills. Now, this one was $4.48. Ooh, look at that green. That is pretty. Can y'all see that? There's a blue pearl. Ooh, these are really, really pretty. There's your white pearl, and then you've got some crystals. So, yeah. This one is going to be really cute. Really cute. And I do love all these colors in it. So there's that one. All right. Now, I'm going to share this one first because, y'all, I did a boo-boo. And I accidentally reordered the same one that I had prior. But that's okay. That is quite okay. But this is a 12-pack of mini pearl images. Now, it comes with 2 toolkits. For this, here's your drills, and look, y'all, I done messed up and ordered the dogs again, but that is okay because they are adorable, absolutely adorable. You've got all these little dogs. These put me in mind of the black and white photos. And I think these would really be cute if you did them and then you put them in a frame and then you could put them like in a collage on your wall. But they're adorable. Do y'all see these? They are absolutely adorable. Look at Doberman. Or it looks like a Doberman to me. Them ears. Look at how adorable they are. And again, there's 12 of them. And these are called dog pearls. These are 15 by 15 centimeters. And they are only $10.36 for 12. A German Shepherd. So these are really nice. Very nice. We'll look at the pearls. And then I've got one more product to share. And these are all white pearls. So they're just going to be different sizes. These are all number 1s. And you can see there's no code key or anything. They're just numbered. So you're going to look on the bag of pearls, just like that bag said number 1. So you're going to find all the 1s, and that's what those go to. And then you've got more number 1s. You got 2 bags of a 2 and 1 bag of 3. So that's how you do these, is you just look for the 1s, 2s, and 3s. So you don't need a code, a color key. So there's that one. So this last one is kind of a no-brainer with me. And again, this is a 12-piece mini. Comes with the 2 standard toolkits. Your pearls. Look here. I got the gnomes. Because I just told y'all why. I love gnomes. I think they're adorable. They're not everybody's cup of tea. I know that. But I like them. Look, that one says love. That one says welcome. So look, this one's holding a snowflake. This one has a heart. This one has a heart with the word love. This one looks like he's holding some flower. This one has a heart and a flower. This one is the welcome. Here's another heart. This one looks like he's got a tulip. This one looks like a pumpkin and a sunflower. This one's a star. This one looks like it might be a tulip. That other one might not have been a tulip. And then another flower. So, and again, you're going to look, I'm not going to open these because it's going to be the same as those. You're going to be looking for the bags of number 1s, and you're going to place them on the 1s and on the 2s and then the 3s. So, for the gnomes are $5.60, no, wait a minute, that was the other gnome. $9.10 for the gnomes. So, again, I love my dogs. I love my gnomes. I like flowers. So, again, GBFKE, thank you for sending these to me. So, which one is y'all's favorite? I mean, and you cannot really go wrong with these. These are nice quality, too. And there's 12 of them. So, yeah, these are nice. Very nice. They're all of this is nice. But, yeah. And that, I was wondering if it would be, you know, a duplicate, just smaller. But it's not. So, that's cool. So, let me know in the comments what y'all's favorite one is. And have any of you ever done the boo-boo of accidentally repurchasing something that you had already bought before and forgot? Yep, this is twice now for me. Normally I'm pretty good at keeping up what I have, but I don't know what happened. So, alright, anyway, go check out the buy 3, get 1 free sale that's going on right now. And I will leave a link to all these in my description box. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.